So what is the difference between a real estate agent and a mortgage lender? I got that question this week, and it's actually a very good question. For those of us that are professionals in this industry, we never really think about the difference. But for the person that asked me this question, it made a lot of sense that they asked this question. And in their case, they had been in the military. They had previously bought a house years ago, but they spent the last 15 years in the military where they just had to give no thought whatsoever about their housing situation. And now that they are actually looking for a house to buy, they were confused who they were speaking to. They were speaking to a mortgage lender who took in some of their information, and then they met me and was showing them a home, and they were just kind of confused. Well, who does what, and what is all this about? So a mortgage, let's start with a real estate agent. A real estate agent, sometimes it's called a realtor or a real estate broker. Those are not synonyms, but they're often used interchangeably in common speaking. But for our purposes, I'm using all those terms the same: a real estate agent, a realtor, a real estate broker, contrasting that to a mortgage lender. So a real estate agent is someone who is licensed by the state and can represent you as a client in the purchase of a home. And so as a realtor, a real estate agent, or an associate broker, I can open up the lock boxes with my the key that I'm authorized to use to open boxes. I can fill in contracts and make offers and negotiate on your behalf. I represent you as a client on the mechanics of you purchasing the house, from the time that we set up a search to find properties that are available for you, going out looking at homes, getting you inside the house, filling out a contract, making an offer to purchase the house, all that activity, and then eventually getting to the closing table where we're sitting at the table and you assigning the documents to take ownership of the house. A mortgage lender, on the other side, is the person that deals with the financial aspects of the transaction. They are licensed in a different way. They are not sales people selling homes, but they are the financial people that are licensed to originate loans. And so you will get a loan from a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender. And this is the person that you will give your pay stubs to, your social security number, your bank account statements, whatever they ask for, in order for them to review your financials and qualify you to purchase a property. And they will write what we call a pre-qualification letter, or a pre-approval letter, which is better actually. A pre-approval letter, they'll look at all your finances, and in a letter they will state that you are eligible to purchase a property up to a certain amount and whatnot. And then me as an agent will receive that letter from your mortgage lender, and I will use that to negotiate a sales price on a purchase of a home that you want to buy. So a real estate agent and a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender work very closely together in a transaction, but they are in fact two distinct people that will be on your team. You can begin your home buying journey with either a real estate agent or a mortgage lender. And in each case, that person, if they're a professional in the industry for a while, they can refer you to the other person that you need to work with if you need that. So a mortgage lender can refer you to a real estate agent, such as myself, that can help you. If you come to me first and you tell me you're not working with a mortgage broker, or you don't know any mortgage lenders, I can refer you to someone who can help you get the mortgage and get qualified to make the home purchase. So anyway, great question. What is the difference between a real estate agent and a mortgage lender? There you have it. Did I miss anything? If you're a professional in the industry, please leave a comment to give us more details if I left anything out. Great question. Feel free to ask me any question anytime that's real estate related. I'm in this business full time. Feel free to call me, text me, or email me with your real estate related questions.